my name is Amethyst with WTI, and if you have cats like me, or maybe a smaller dog that is looking to go into surgery anytime soon, I highly recommend you check out this HIDREAM flower-shaped cat collar. My cat Usagi apparently thinks it's a toy right now, but we recently had one of our boys neutered, and so having this during that process was really nice. I like that it is nice and soft, so he was actually using it kind of as a pillow while he was also being protected from licking himself and further opening or messing up the wound that he had. His procedure ended up being a little more invasive than typical, so we really needed to make sure that he wasn't going to get into the wounds that were not supposed to be there for a typical neutering. I love the color, super cute with the blue here, and I like that it is adjustable as well with this little string here. We did not use this when he went to bed just because of that drawstring. This one was absolutely perfect when he was around us. It was more comfortable for him. He seemed to enjoy it a lot more than the e-collar, and it's adorable. Like, it was cracking me up and it brought me a lot of joy. And although that's not the only reason to own something for your pets, I personally really enjoyed having this. He seemed to really like it as a pillow, and it seemed to be very comfortable on him. So long as you're using it supervised, I highly recommend you check out this product for your pet that's going into a surgery or needs some sort of barrier from getting into anywhere that he could lick or mess up down there. And that is my point of view.